everybody, welcome to this short vlog. We're exploring somewhere new, guys. We're going to Waterfall, Glen in Chicago. It's near Orland Park. I forget the city that it's in, but it's near Orland Park. It's about an hour away from where I live in Indiana, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be exploring something new today. I'm not gonna do nothing extra, nothing crazy. The last two times I was exploring new cities, I was like checking out like new restaurants and cafes, and like honestly today I just wanna go see this waterfall. It's like a little waterfall, and then enjoy myself there and go back home. I'm not gonna do all that today. I just wanna have like a nice chill day. So yeah, thank you so much for coming along with me. This is gonna be fun. You guys, I know we're getting closer because there's a lot of greenery around. Like, I'm just surrounded by greenery right now. This is such a nice drive right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really enjoying this, guys. Guys, we're here. I'm so excited. I don't even know like which direction to go. I think it's like I have to like walk like over there, but it might be like a little hike to the waterfall. I don't know. I've never been here before, and it's a really big nature preserve, so we'll see. Do you guys want to see what I packed in my bag? I'm gonna show you guys what I packed, okay? So I have my water with my fresh basil and mint from my garden. I love water with fresh herbs in it because I just feel like it makes it so much more awake and alive. I have a grapefruit that I'm gonna bring with me. Ooh, I'm bringing this with me in case I get a little hungry. And something really cool, my own product, guys. This is my own product, my own food product. It's an energy bar. Oh, did I show you guys upside down? Sorry. It's an energy bar that I make with pure ingredients only. This one is cacao lovers, so it has it's made with almonds, walnuts, dates, cacao, and sea salt, and it's really good. People really love these. If you want some, let me know because they're for sale. Okay, let's go down now. Let's put everything in here. Okay, I'll bring my little sweater jacket. Alrighty, and we're off. Oh, and I can't forget my towel. I always leave a towel in my car because in the summer I'm off to the beaches and I'm off to the water park. Not the water park, the waterfalls. And actually this is my first time going to a waterfall alone here. But yeah, I usually go to beaches and stuff, so I always keep like a towel in my car. This is the entrance. Whoa. Okay, this is already so cool. What the heck? Oh, something just ran off. It's like a bunny or something. Wow, guys. It's not even like a actual trail. Like, it's just like a dirt trail, and I love that. Whoa. Guys, I'm so happy I brought myself out here. Okay, I was led to a parking lot. So I have to find the park entrance now. There has to be like a trail, right? Oh, there's another parking lot over here. Okay, we're gonna find it. Hey, look at these pretty flowers. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, guys, so I think I came to the wrong parking lot because she told me if I want to hike to the waterfall, it's like a 3-mile hike, which is not that long, but if I'm being honest, I don't know even where to go because there's like many trails, and she was trying to explain it to me, but I couldn't really understand, and I tried to check on my maps, and I didn't really understand either. So I'm just gonna drive there, and then I'll probably hike around the waterfall. We'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna have to drive back to the other parking lot. Pretty sure this is the trail. Guys, look at these tall trees. guys, I made my way down to the little creek in the river and I let my hair down. This is really cool. This is like the lower level. The trail is like over here, but I'm over here. And I want to walk. I want to put my feet in the little river lake creek thing. I just swam in the waterfall. The perfect hiking snack. You guys, this was such a beautiful experience and I'm so glad that I came here. If you're thinking of coming here, you should go. It's really amazing. There's free parking. Everyone is just enjoying their time with their family. I would definitely come back and I want to come back with my family. I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna enjoy this quiet, peaceful little river and then I'm gonna head back home. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these, because there's many more places I want to go. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. And thank you for watching. Bye.